What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I will be unboxing the brand new AirPods Pro 3.
Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
This is actually going to replace the original AirPods Pro 2, the ones that came out in 2022, not the refreshed versions that actually have the Type-C port for charging. Let me show you my AirPods Pro 2s in great condition still, but you see it has the Lightning charging port instead of the Type-C. I did get them personalized with my name on it, and they still maintain a decent charge. I have them currently connected to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I can still get several hours out of them. Now let's take a look at the new kids on the block, the AirPods Pro 3. Now I got these the day that you could pre-order them, and surprisingly, I believe I paid the same price that I did for the twos. I paid for the three, so I think it was like $269 is what I paid. Here are both AirPods side by side, and we see that the AirPods Pro 3 case is slightly bigger than the twos. The best part of this purchase is that my new AirPods have Type-C charging, so I no longer need different charging cables for my devices. All my devices are using Type-C charging. To connect your AirPods to your iPhone, simply open up that case. You'll see that light flashing, meaning it's in pairing mode. The next thing you're gonna have to do, if you're wondering why it's not showing up, you have to unlock your device. My device is currently on the lock screen, so as soon as I unlock the device, you'll see that the AirPods Pro 3 is trying to pair with this device. So all you need to do is tap on that connect button on the bottom of the phone, and you should be able to pair your device. The Pro 3s introduced the foam-infused silicone ear tips, which is not the case for the AirPod Pro 2s. Those ear tips were made from silicone. Here's a close-up look. The 3 is on the left and the 2s are on the right. You'll see slight differences, and supposedly the 3s are a little bit smaller than the 2s, and they are adjusted at a different angle for all of the testing that they did in several people's ear canal to give you a more comfortable fit. I wanted to see if the 3s could fit into the AirPod 2's case, and that doesn't seem to be the case. What I'm doing now is placing the AirPods in my ears so that I can complete the setup process. Okay, so how it sounds could be subjective, but they sound great in my opinion. Like I said, I'm super happy that I can finally use Type-C charging when charging these, and these actually do need to be charged. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. 27%, so we'll go ahead and charge it through via cable. You can also charge it obviously MagSafe or wireless charging. If you're Team Android but you want to rock AirPods, let me show you quickly how to pair your AirPods with your Android device. Now with the old one, you had this little button here that you would press and it would pair, but with this new one, there is no button on the back. What you're gonna have to do is open up the case and then double tap on the front of the case. So here it is, it's in not pairing mode, but now it's pairing. As you see, that white light is pulsing. So once we do that, I can go to the Bluetooth of my Android device and find it in the list. to the settings of your AirPods, you just have to open up the case, go to settings, find your AirPods Pro 3, and then you get a list of different settings and customizations you can do with your AirPods. One cool feature that can be found in this section is the camera remote. To use this feature, you must first enable it in the settings section, and then you can select how many presses you want to be able to trigger the camera.
Spectacular gadgets.
As you see, there is so much that you can do with the AirPods, and the camera remote is pretty cool for content creators. You can also use the mic from the AirPods to record your videos as well, so you can use it as an external mic. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me, and until next time, later.